Yo, YouTubers, what's up everyone? I am at the mall, so watch my mall vlog. Okay, so in this video, I'm here to tell y'all how I create my own thumbnail. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to pick a video from YT Studio. Okay, I'm going to pick a video from YT Studio. Let's see, I'm just going to pick a random video. Let's see, I don't know what video I want to do. Ooh, I want to do weekend morning routine. Weekend morning routine. Okay, so, let's do my weekend morning routine. Okay, so this app I use is called Canva. Okay, so, this app I use is called Canva, and you can create your own thumbnails like Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook cover, social media, photo collage, poster, flyer, invitation portrait, card, Twitter post, Twitter header, blog banner, YouTube thumbnail. I'm gonna pick YouTube thumbnail, okay? And I just pick any of these that I like that my viewers will catch an eye on. Like I'm gonna choose this one called Spring Break. Because spring break is next week. Okay, so I'm going to do weekend morning routine. Okay, weekend morning routine, and I'm going to choose I like that font. I'm just going to choose the text size. There we go. I'm going to, I don't want that one. No, I don't want. I want, you can choose the color of it. I'm going to choose pink. No, I don't want to choose pink. I'm going to choose black. Oh, that's a blend. I'm going to choose that one, okay? I don't use italics. I use this. That AA means all capital letters. Okay, spacing, you can do letter spacing. Okay, line height. Okay, and I click check. And then when I'm done with that, you can make it bigger. Okay, I'm gonna make the text size like that. Then put it like right there. Weekend morning routine. Okay, I made it bigger. Okay, when I'm done with that, click the share icon right there, and then it makes the magic happen. Okay, so okay, successfully saved, and then I upload to photos. Oh, come on, upload to photos. Okay, and I click upload. And then once it uploads, I go to YT Studio, and then I go to weekend morning routine, with this little edit video button. Okay, and I click edit thumbnail, and then I do edit thumbnail and weekend morning routine. Okay, so and then I click save. So that is how I make my thumbnails look. That is how to create your channel, things you must have in the description, okay, and yeah. So that's how I create my thumbnails, okay, so like, comment, subscribe, bye.